Hello everyone, this is Atomberg Aris Starlight Ceiling Fan. As the name suggests, this has got an inbuilt LED light which acts as a lamp for illumination, not just indicator light. You can change the color and intensity of the light, and the main part that the fan is a BLDC motor enabled fan, so this works really silent. It has got 5-star energy efficiency rating and excellent performance. I have been using several models of Atomberg since 3-4 years. All of them are working excellent as expected. You can see this new remote. Earlier they were providing a tinier remote. This remote is good to hold and it works really well. And the light has got decent intensity levels. You can change the color tone from warm to white depending on your preference. The fan blades are made of strong ABS material, so I hope this will last for a long time. That's it. Thanks for watching.